They're inside in the energy center. Hey, what's happened? People's running during shooting? Maybe people came. People make so loud. Big Tex trailers. Wow, Big Tex trailers. What do you see, Miss Berger?
What's the passion? Poop there.
Ew. Nasty. That's gross. That's disgusting. Look at that trailers. Which way?
You want to see more cows?
Which way?
You want to see more cows? We go to the right. You don't want to see more cows? We go to the left. How often do we see cows? Marquita's like, I've seen it now. Let's do another row. Just stay on the carpet. Nah, let's keep going. This is kind of narrow.
Look at this.
Hey, go that way, bro.
It's all covered up. Oh, that gross. Ew. Oh, did you hear that? Did you hear that?
Did you see him poop?
Oh. A covered nose. That's disgusting. This is disgusting. Wow. I can't step on it because the poop. I cannot step. Where? I can't. Oh.
Watch out for the poop.
I don't see in there.
When they pee backwards.
Dog, it's covered up.
Watch your feet.
Moo sound.
Look out, Pedro.
Where? Ew! Gross. Wow, too many cows.
Stay with us, Ricardo.
Oh,
Stay on the
look.
carpet.
Oh, look, they're outside right here. Oh. What the? Wait, y'all. Wow.
Watch out for the cows. Move over to the side. Move over to the side. We're going to be going right in there.
Go, just keep going. Stay back, stay back, stay back.
Okay.
Go. Okay. Don't worry, it's alright.
It's all right.
Stay back, stay back, stay back. Solomon, Nicole, stay back, stay back.
How do you have enough space?
No, come.
Come on.
More cows. Oh my God. Gosh, don't believe it. He's ever seen. What? Oh my God, what happened?
I was just laughing. I'm sorry.
People, this looks like too many cows.
That's it. That's it.